How to connect NinjaTrader in TradingView Broker section, Step-by-Step 2026 Guide. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Broker section in TradingView and connect NinjaTrader step by step. Let's get started. First, open TradingView and log into your account. Once you're inside, open any chart. You can select any market like Forex, stocks, or futures. Step 1. Open the trading panel. Now look at the bottom of your screen. Click on the trading panel. This section shows all brokers that can be connected to TradingView. Step 2. Explore broker options. Inside the trading panel, you'll see multiple brokers such as OANDA, Forex.com, Paper Trading. Some users may also see NinjaTrader listed depending on region or updates. Step 3. Select NinjaTrader. If NinjaTrader appears in your list, click on it. A login pop-up will open. Enter your NinjaTrader username, password, then click Connect. Step 4. Handle connection result. Now, have a checkmark if connection is successful. Your account will be linked and ready for trading. Crossmark if you see an error. Don't worry, this is very common. Step 5. Fix common connection issue. If NinjaTrader is not connecting, refresh the TradingView page. Make sure your NinjaTrader account is active. Double-check login credentials. Ensure you are using the correct account, live or demo. Warning sign # important note, very important. Even if NinjaTrader shows in the broker section, it may not be fully supported for all users. Some regions or accounts may not allow full integration. Features can be limited compared to official supported brokers. Best practice, recommended setup. Most traders use TradingView for charting and analysis, NinjaTrader for trade execution. This gives you the best performance and reliability. Quick recap. Open TradingView. Go to Trading Panel. Select NinjaTrader, if available. Enter login details. Fix errors if needed. And that's it. Now you know how to use the TradingView Broker section and connect NinjaTrader step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Rock it!